we don't clean the classroom for them, it will be a chaos.
I worked here for 17 years.
This is something that is not being done in all the schools. I can't remember last time when I went to another school and I saw blackboards. I only see whiteboards now and computers. So in each classroom we have a wall full of blackboards. Each one of them is about 4 feet by 9 feet. They're all in lines of 3. Each blackboard needs to be cleaned in a certain way to make sure that
Todo limpio y listo para él comenzar.
a bucket of water, some towels. They don't have enough time in between classes to let the boards dry by itself.
The next class is coming. Sometime we're running.
We take pride on everything that we do. Let us worry about the cleaning, the setups, and let the students concentrate on studying and professors in teaching and staff to do, administrative work. Our goal is to make sure that they don't bother with anything else. They always have a good, clean place to come in and work. It reminds me of when I was in school and professors used to use chalkboard and they used to call us. I don't think it's something that should go away. Every year during commencement, when I see the students walk across the stage, I know that all of us, we help them accomplish what they came here to do.